Good morning, everybody. How you guys doing? February 1st, huh? Happy February. Alrighty. Okay, guys. Today, see this box here? This is the KitchenAid. See the pictures on there? This is the KitchenAid attachment to grind meat. I got this KitchenAid attachment because I want to grind my beef and chicken or whatever else, you know, that you can grind up meats and whatever else you would like to grind up in this machine. So I just came in here today because I love coming in here anyway, sharing being with my friends and just sharing with you guys the little things that I have to make my life a little easier in the kitchen. So today I just want to share with you guys my gadget here, the KitchenAid meat grinder. Okay, so this is the machine here. I have it already, excuse the background you guys, I have it already attached to my KitchenAid mixer, as you guys can see. It's black, so hopefully it's not too bad of a shadow. And yeah, I already got it attached, as you can see what it looks like on that box. Get a good view of that. I'm going to put the make and model of this gadget, this KitchenAid attachment, in the description box. So if you guys are interested in this product, you can know which one to, or buy if you want to buy this. So okay. So this is it. I have it already attached to the front, to the head and the front of the KitchenAid mixer. And if any of you own a KitchenAid mixer, you know that part in the front of the mixer. It's a little shiny, little round piece that you can remove. And then the screw. I don't know if I can get all around here. You guys can see that screw right there on the side. You take that out and then you just attach the meat grinder. That was kind of awkward for you guys. I apologize. Then you just attach the meat grinder in front of the KitchenAid mixer with that screw. Tighten it up, but not over tighten. You don't want to crack anything, okay? Because this attachment is made out of plastic. Now I've already put some meat in there. Hope you guys can see this, because I don't know about my light. The meat is down in there already. Some has already been coming out, falling down in this bowl. I just started it. Here's my chunks of meat that I will be putting down in the machine. I cut it into little small cubes, as you guys can see. And then this thing here is what you use to wait, let me set it in there. You set that thing right there. It goes down into the meat grinder to help shove, push the meat, push the meat down into the meat grinder, so it'll keep consistently going through the machine. Okay, so right now I'm going to turn it on, you guys. It makes a little noise, so I apologize for the noise, but I'm just going to show you guys how this works as the meat comes through. Because today, the reason why I'm grinding up the beef, some beef, is because I don't have any ground beef, and I wanted to make some chili beans today. So I decided to grind the meat instead of going out and buying meat, wasting money. Why not? If you have the stuff to do these things, ladies and gentlemen, do it. Don't be lazy or too tired. If you have what you need to do something and you don't have to spend money, then do that. Okay, I'm going to take some meat now. And you see me drop it down in the hole. Hold on, guys. I'm going to turn on the machine now. And you guys are going to hear that noise, so I apologize. So you see it shooting out of there. Fresh ground beef going down into the bowl. Ooh, I hope my light is right. See that? I love this machine. I can grind up chicken, because if I want some chicken, ground chicken meat for tacos, which is delicious, I'm telling you guys. Ground chicken meat for tacos is very good. You guys have never tried ground chicken to make for your meat for your tacos? You should try it. It's delicious. And see, ladies, it's constantly, I love this machine. See how the meat just comes right on out of there? Anything you need to know extra about this machine is in the book of instructions that comes with it. In case I'm not sharing all the details, you guys can read the book if you purchase this attachment to the KitchenAid mixer. Everything you need to know about it is in the book that comes with it. See that? Going down in the hole. Down in the hole. Yeah, I love it. Fresh ground beef. We had some tacos the other day with some freshly ground beef. Lord, that was so good. It's delicious. You guys like that? Nothing better than having your own meat grinder. You could divide up, you know, take it and put it in sections, save some, make hamburger patties, prepare little small meatloaf, Salisbury steaks, things like that. Preparation for another meal, another day. Yeah, guys, we just wanted some chili beans today, and this is how I'm making my ground beef. Love this machine. See how the mixer is nothing attached on there where your beater would go. It's just spinning around. All the work is being done through the head of the machine. Anytime you get an attachment for this, for the KitchenAid mixer, it's always going to just go into the front of the head. Mostly all the attachment parts. One day I need to show you guys, I also got that attachment where I seen it one day on a commercial, and I was like, I gotta have that. That attachment that peels apples and potatoes into really thin sheets. I have that. And I want to do a video on that and show you guys that machine. One day I'll do that. I just fell in love with that machine. But this machine right here, I love it. Hope you guys are enjoying this machine, and I hope I'm giving you at least the basic details about what this machine, or showing you, not telling you, probably just showing you what this baby is doing. Kicking out ground beef. Look at all that ground beef. Look at that meat, y'all. Yeah, with this machine, with the ground beef and the instructions, it wants you to, after you grind the ground beef, the beef up the first time, you have to go and put it back in and do it a second time. So, with my basic info that I'm sharing with you guys, remember, if you buy this attachment, stand mixer attachment, meat grinder, all the details and everything of how to use it will be in there, because I'm not sharing fully everything about this attachment. But I hope you guys enjoyed this demonstration of me grinding up my grinding up my beef for my to make ground beef for my chili beans today. Love y'all. Thank you for coming in here and watching, and thanks for all your support. Thank you to all my subscribers supporting me, coming and watching my videos. Even if you only have a few minutes a few seconds just to come and check out what I do. I really appreciate you guys, and I thank you very much, because we need to stand together and support each other. It's a very beautiful thing. Once again, thank you. And you guys have a great day, okay? And I'll be seeing you soon in another video. Bye for now.